Okay, so you have asked me to show you how to buy shares, right? Number one, you come here in the platform, you go under easy equities or under tax-free savings account or easy equities USD or Australia or properties or Zenzele Kabili shares, these ones under BE. So right now I'm gonna show you with the easy equities one, South Africa. So let's go here. Then number one, we're gonna look at the category. Now these are the things that you can find here. You can buy equities, ETFs, ETNs, which are more or less like bonds. You buy cryptocurrency, unit trust, baskets, and bundles, right? And then down here they've categorized